Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Welcome to this real-world scenario of the SMS and text messaging journey in a contact center. Imagine a customer on the move, looking for quick, hassle-free support without calling a helpline or downloading an app. With just a simple text message, the journey begins, seamlessly blending automation and human interaction to deliver fast, accurate, and personalized service. In this walkthrough, we'll see how a single SMS evolves from the customer's first message to intelligent routing, automated replies, live agent engagement if needed, and finally, resolution and analytics, all in a matter of minutes. Let's begin the journey with message initiation, the first touchpoint in the SMS banking experience. Meet Rahul, a busy professional, always on the move. He wants to check his account balance quickly without logging into an app or waiting on hold for a call center agent. Rahul picks up his phone and simply sends an SMS with the keyword BAL to his bank's toll-free SMS number. This simple action sets the entire customer service workflow in motion. Within seconds, his message travels through the telecom network, ready to be processed by the bank's contact center system. It's fast, effortless, and completely customer-friendly, marking the first step toward a seamless digital banking experience. Next, Rahul's message reaches the SMS gateway, the bridge between the telecom network and the bank's contact center systems. The gateway instantly receives the SMS and connects it to the bank's core platforms, whether it's the CRM, the omni-channel contact center solution, or the AI-powered chatbot engine. Here's where intelligence kicks in. The platform automatically scans the message, recognizes the keyword BAL, and classifies it as a self-service request. This quick recognition is what enables the system to either trigger an automated response or, if needed, escalate the message to the right channel for further handling. With the message classified as a self-service request, the system quickly moves to the intelligent routing stage. Now, because this is a simple query, just a balance check, there's no need to involve a live agent. Instead, the message is instantly routed to the bank's AI-powered chatbot engine. This smart routing ensures that routine inquiries are handled automatically, freeing up human agents to focus on more complex or high-value conversations. The result? Faster responses for customers and greater efficiency for the contact center. Next comes the automated response stage, where speed meets accuracy. The bank's AI chatbot instantly connects with the CRM system to retrieve Rahul's account details securely and in real time. Within seconds, Rahul receives a personalized SMS on his phone. Your savings account balance is 25,340 rupees. Available balance, 24,890 rupees. No waiting, no manual effort, just a fast, accurate, and fully automated service experience. Now comes the stage of customer engagement, where the interaction becomes more dynamic. After checking his balance, Rahul has another query. He sends an SMS saying, recent transactions. The AI chatbot instantly processes the request and replies with the last 3 transactions in a simple, easy-to-read SMS format. But here's the smart part. If Rahul had typed something more complex, like issue with debit card, the system would have immediately routed his message to a live agent, ensuring he received personalized support when it truly mattered. It's the perfect balance of automation for speed and human interaction for care. With Rahul's queries resolved swiftly and efficiently, without the need to speak to anyone, the journey moves to the resolution and closure stage. The system sends a final SMS. Thank you for using the bank SMS service. Reply rate to share your feedback. This closing message not only confirms completion but also invites valuable customer feedback, helping the bank continuously improve its services. And finally, we arrive at the post-interaction processing stage, where insights and analytics come together. The entire SMS conversation is automatically stored in the CRM under Rahul's profile, ensuring a complete and accurate record of the interaction. At the same time, the system updates key performance metrics, including first response time, 3 seconds, resolution time, under 2 minutes, CSAT survey, pending for customer feedback. These insights help the bank measure service efficiency, track customer satisfaction, and continuously refine the overall customer experience. The key takeaway from this real-world scenario is crystal clear. First, SMS helps save agent effort by automatically handling simple, repetitive queries through AI and automation. Second, it improves customer convenience, no mobile app, no internet, no waiting on hold. Just a quick text message. And finally, it ensures a personal touch by allowing customers to seamlessly connect with a live agent whenever the situation calls for it. It's the perfect blend of efficiency, accessibility, and human connection, all through a simple SMS. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.